So as a special part of the technical program, as we do every year, we have a number of special symposia topics. This particular year we have 6 different symposia, again ranging from applications-oriented research to very fundamental research. Most notably, we have a special symposium on the 50th anniversary of the semiconductor laser, which should have broad participation from many different people. We have a number of other ones, including a couple ones based on quantum mechanics, quantum interactions, a high-powered laser one, space-based optics. I'm also very excited about the symposium on structured illumination and singular light. This is an area that, as we see, has branched over almost all of the different topic areas here at CLEO, and I'm looking for a very nice place to kind of begin a new community here at CLEO for this important emerging field.
So there are actually 2 very important special symposia in the domain of quantum physics and the connection actually to optical communication. So in the symposium on the frontiers of communication, there we really go from the fundamental aspects to the future-directed, more abstract parts. And so one of the questions is basically how much classical information can I bring through a quantum channel if I have access to quantum tools. So we have actually Jeff Shapiro from MIT talking about the fundamental limits of this. Then the next thing is as well that we have the question about how much quantum information can I bring through a quantum channel, because future networks will actually as well bring quantum information through the fibers. And so we have Jon Yard actually talking about this one. The other thing is as well to use these channels. How can we practically implement it? So there's something about the fundamental limit, say, to go from the satellite to Earth or the other way around. How can I actually effectively implement that one? So we see really it's the connection between fundamental and the practical limitation of actually really doing it. We will as well be talking about applications. So Markus Kurti will be talking about quantum key distribution, and that is a quantum key distribution where we don't even have to trust and characterize the devices that we're using to do that one. So that will be actually another point that will be presented. The second symposium that we are talking about is actually about quantum engineering architectures. As we are interested in quantum information processing, we need to find ways how to connect information like you would do in a classical computer, but now on the quantum level. So what we are looking at is at different systems, how to address this problem about building a proper processor that needs more than just having few qubits that can maybe interact with each other. We need something that can scale up. So we have several talks that actually talk about different architectures, different physical systems, how we can realize the architecture in there. So there will be Dr. Blakesek talking about ion traps. How can we in ion traps actually solve the problem about sending qubits around, get them interact properly to each other. There will be John Martinez talking about superconducting structures that actually will allow us to do exactly this kind of architectural realization in different systems. And so that is a lot that we can learn about these topics.